Is your bookkeeping a car wreck? You need me, Dr. Friday Tax and Financial Firm. We need to be in your corner. We can help you fix the accident. Give us a call today at 615-367-0819 or www.drfriday.com. Okay, we are back in the kitchen and we made that very fast beef stew. I think that was the fastest recipe I've ever cooked. Sometimes when you're doing your taxes, people rush through doing their taxes thinking, all I want to do is get them done. It's the same way with that stew. All I wanted to do was make sure everything made it in the pot. Well, we're going to do the same thing a little bit slower when it comes to this. We're going to be making some wonderful snowballs, holiday special, love them for dessert. It's really an easy recipe. It doesn't take much. Meanwhile, what I want you to think about when you're preparing your taxes and we're always rushing through everything to get done, because one thing you want, oh, I got to get that refund. I need that refund today. And of course, you're going to pay a lot of money if you go to places like H&R blocking them, because let's be honest, when it comes to doing refunds, they're good at that, but be careful. Do not pay hundreds of dollars to get your money for tomorrow. Get that money on a card. Next thing you know, you've got your situation where you're dealing with somebody getting you your own money and they're charging you hundreds of dollars so you can have it today. It's not worth it. E-file it and you'll get it within a week or so. Trust me, it's going to save you lots and lots of money. All right, so before you can e-file, you got to know what's going to be on there. And one of the things you got to make sure, did you get married this year? Did you get divorced? Considering 50% of you watching right this second are going to say yes to one of those two questions, that's going to change your filing status. And so when you're actually doing, and just so everyone knows, this is basically a white cake mix with eggs and water and oil, okay? Very simple. Just a box of cake mix. Just make it just as it says in the recipe. Nothing special. Okay, when we're dealing with taxes and dealing with the way things are going to happen, you want to make sure, especially if you've got married or divorced, you want to make sure that when you're dealing with that, it's going to change. Your W-4 for half the year was either going to be one way or the other, meaning if you were married and you got divorced halfway through the year, guess what? You didn't have enough taxes come out. If you were single all year and then you got married, you might have actually paid too much in taxes. And you need to adjust, because the last thing we want to do is we do not want the IRS having our money. Do you know there's a big newsletter coming out that basically says the government is looking to give more and more bonds out this year? So think about it. Do you want a savings bond? Because that's what they're thinking about giving you, a nice little savings bond where you basically can cash it in 6 to 8 months later. So wow, you get a little bit of interest, which depending on how it comes out, what state, you may end up paying tax on, or you end up basically dealing with the delay or having to wait for tax dollars. Okay, so I have it all in a nice little pan, right? You're going to take $325, throw it in the oven, cook it just as the box tells you. Reaching down, voila, look at that. This is instant television, right? So we've got all of that taken care of. We're going to do exactly, a lot of you guys know Mom's the producer on this show. She's going to hate that I just stacked those all up like that. Okay, so here we go. We're going to take a regular white cupcake. We're going to take some regular white icing. And just like when you do your taxes, you've got a plate, a mess of stuff, right? You got a mess of coconut here, just coconut, delicious coconut. You're going to take your hands and you're going to get messy. Just like with dealing with your taxes, you're going to get messy. Just put it on there, baby. Don't be shy. Make a mess, because you know what? Just like getting all your tax papers out, you're going to want to have everything where you have it. And you're going to get messy, trust me. Put a little bit more on top. Ooh, I love making snow. This is like the greatest kids thing to do. There's nothing wrong, because you're going to make a mess, and who cares? It's fun. And you know what? When you're dealing with taxes and you're making, first you decide if you're single or married, head of household, you decide who's going to claim the kids. You're getting divorced this year, right? You've got 2 or 3 children. Who is going to claim those children? Because I will tell you right now, the IRS doesn't care what the divorce decree says. They don't really care. The only thing they care about is you and who's going to file first. So if your ex gets there first and they claim the children, guess what? You go and file your taxes and say, oh, I'm supposed to get Junior. They don't care. They don't care what you do, actually. When it comes to doing your children, it's up to you and how you're going to deal with it. Be sure that you're dealing with a tax expert. If you're going to make these decisions, you need to sit down now get messy, and make sure you have all of your documentation. Divorce can be one of the hardest things, especially with children. I have more people come in saying, oh, I thought I was going to claim the child, or I even have it in the divorce decree to claim the child, but the IRS says, nope, don't have it. So you just need to make sure you know what you're doing when it comes to taxes. Okay, look at that. Looks like a real snowball, doesn't it? I'm going to be able to throw it right out there. All right, so you're watching the Dr. Friday Show, and we're going to continue and make sure you're enjoying yourself. Keep watching. I hope you enjoy the show just as much as I did. This has been a great show, informative. I hope that you've learned a few things and you don't procrastinate when it comes to doing your taxes. Don't forget to go to www.drfriday.com. Check out the shop. Make sure you watch the drfriday.tv show. It is going to be so interactive, and I want you to be able to join us. Instead of just watching, I want you to participate. And also make your tax appointment, because if you don't make your tax appointment, there's no way I can help you. As an enrolled agent, that is my job when it comes to taxes. So I hope that you have a wonderful holiday season. Make sure that all the things that you want to come true, all you have to do is hope for it, work for it, and it doesn't hurt if you pray for it. So when it comes down to it, I want all of you to enjoy your holiday, and I hope that when it comes time to celebrating, you take a few minutes and thankful for the things you have. Merry Christmas.
We hope you've enjoyed watching the Dr. Friday Show. The different segments of today's show, as well as the various Dr. Friday commercials, have been produced and edited by Audio Video Art. Audio Video Art is based in Nashville, Tennessee, and has been providing commercial, corporate, and live event production services since 2002. Audio Video Art offers commercial video productions, such as the Dr. Friday Show. We also record corporate events like keynotes, seminars, and conferences, and provide live event productions including weddings, anniversaries, sporting events, and more. For more information on services or pricing, please visit our website at www.audiovideoart.net or call Audio Video Art at 615-783-1536.